In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a new landing page in the Site Builder. We'll start on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand side, and click on Sites. This opens the area where all your websites live and is the starting point for creating something new. Now click on Create. You'll be prompted to give your site a name. Pick something short, clear, and easy to recognize so you can find it later. Think of it as a label for this project. Once you've entered the name, click Save and continue to move forward. Next, you'll see an option to select a group. This helps organize your site within a category or team space, so choose the group that makes the most sense for your workflow. After selecting it, click Continue again. At this stage, you may see a loading screen. That's normal. Templates and resources are being prepared in the background. Depending on your connection and the size of the template library, this can take a moment. When the templates appear, browse through and select one that fits your goals and style. Think about the structure you want. A simple lead capture, a product highlight, or a content-focused layout. Once you've made your choice, click Choose. You may encounter another loading phase here, and it can take a bit longer as the editor sets up your template. Hang tight. When it finishes, you'll land in the editor. On the left side, you'll see a panel with everything you can add to your landing page. Things like text blocks, images, buttons, and forms. This is your toolbox. Drag in the elements you need and arrange them to match your message. If you want to adjust the overall look and feel, click into the design or theme area to change colors, typography, and other style settings. Small tweaks here go a long way. Choose a primary color that matches your brand and keep your fonts consistent for a clean, professional finish. You can also add a section to expand your page. Use sections to separate your content visually. Think hero at the top, benefits in the middle, and a clear call to action near the bottom. Keep things balanced so your visitors can scan quickly and find what they need. Once you're satisfied with your edits, wrap up by clicking Done Editing. That saves your changes and confirms you're finished for now. And that's it. You've created a site, selected a template, customized the design, added sections,